Have you ever felt your heart going to sleep? Not literally, of course, but in a sense that it's not as energetic and healthy as it used to be? It's a feeling that many of us have experienced, a kind of heart fatigue that can affect our overall health and well-being. When we talk about heart fatigue, we're not just referring to physical tiredness. We're talking about a condition where your heart isn't functioning at its best, where it's not as vibrant and lively as it should be. Our hearts are remarkable organs. They beat around 100,000 times a day, pumping blood around our bodies and keeping us alive. But just like any other part of our body, our hearts can get tired too. And when our hearts get tired, it's not something we can simply sleep off. It can affect our entire body and overall health. Now you might ask, how can we reverse this heart fatigue and re-energize our hearts? Stick around to find out. Before we dive into the solution, it's crucial to understand the problem. So, what is heart fatigue anyway? Heart fatigue, scientifically known as cardiac fatigue, is a condition where the heart muscle becomes tired and less effective at pumping blood throughout the body. It's similar to how your legs might feel after a long run, tired and in need of rest. But unlike your legs, your heart can't afford to take a break. It has to keep working no matter what. So, what causes heart fatigue? It can be a result of several factors. Chronic diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes, or obesity can put extra strain on the heart, leading to fatigue over time. Other causes may include stress, excessive alcohol consumption, and a lack of physical activity. Symptoms of heart fatigue can vary widely, but some common ones include shortness of breath, chest pain, dizziness, and fatigue. These symptoms can be subtle and easy to dismiss, but it's important to take them seriously. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms regularly, it's a good idea to see a doctor. Now let's talk about lifestyle. Our everyday choices can have a significant impact on our heart health. A diet high in fat, sugar, and salt can lead to obesity and high blood pressure, both of which can strain the heart. Lack of exercise can also contribute to heart fatigue, as it can lead to weight gain and decreased cardiovascular fitness. On the other hand, a healthy lifestyle can help prevent heart fatigue. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can all contribute to a healthy heart. It's also important to manage stress, as chronic stress can increase the risk of heart disease. To sum up, heart fatigue is a serious condition that can be caused by a variety of factors, many of which are related to our lifestyle choices. It's a reminder that our hearts need care and attention, just like any other part of our body. Now that we understand what heart fatigue is and how it happens, we can move towards finding a solution. The first and the most crucial step towards preventing heart fatigue is maintaining a balanced diet. A balanced diet is like the fuel that keeps the engine of your body, the heart, running smoothly. It's not just about eating less, it's about eating right. Incorporate a mix of nutrients in your meals: proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Now let's talk about heart-friendly foods. Fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids are your heart's best friends. They help in reducing bad cholesterol levels and maintaining good blood pressure, thus keeping your heart happy and healthy. On the other hand, foods high in saturated and trans fats, salt and sugar, can lead to increased blood pressure and cholesterol, putting your heart at risk. So next time you are at the grocery store, remember to pick heart-healthy foods. Remember, what you eat directly affects your heart's health. So, choose wisely. Next up on our list is something we all know but often ignore: regular exercise. It's a cornerstone of heart health, and for good reason. It helps lower your blood pressure, increase your heart rate, and reduce stress, all of which are key to keeping your heart from dozing off. Now you might be wondering, what kind of exercises are we talking about here? Well, it's not just about lifting weights or running marathons. Aerobic exercises like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling can be incredibly beneficial for your heart. They get your heart beating faster and your blood pumping, which can help strengthen your heart muscles over time. Strength training exercises like weightlifting can also contribute to heart health by helping to reduce body fat and build lean muscle. And don't forget about flexibility exercises like yoga and Pilates, which can help reduce stress and promote overall cardiovascular health. Exercise not only keeps your heart healthy but also makes it stronger, so don't skip it. The third step might surprise you: it's getting enough sleep. You might be wondering, how does sleep affect your heart? Well, it's quite simple. When you sleep, your heart rate slows down and blood pressure drops, giving your heart and blood vessels a much-needed break. This period of rest is essential for maintaining cardiovascular health. In contrast, sleep deprivation can put your heart through the ringer. A lack of sleep can lead to higher levels of stress hormones and inflammation in your body, which can increase your heart rate and blood pressure, leading to heart fatigue. To put it simply, a good night's sleep is like a mini vacation for your heart. It's a time for your heart to relax, recharge, and get ready for the next day. So if you want to keep your heart awake and healthy, remember to prioritize your sleep. Remember, your heart needs rest too. Make sure you're giving it enough. Last but not least, regular checkups. Now you might wonder, why are these so crucial in keeping our heart awake and alert? Well, the answer is simple yet profound. Regular health checkups act as our first line of defense against heart fatigue. They are like those routine inspections we do for our vehicles to ensure everything is running smoothly. In the same way, these checkups help us detect any potential heart problems early on. Imagine having a small leak in a pipe. If left unchecked, this small issue can turn into a major one, causing significant damage. Similarly, minor heart issues can escalate if they aren't detected and treated promptly. Regular checkups give your doctor the opportunity to catch these issues before they become big problems. So, remember, just as you wouldn't ignore a warning light on your car's dashboard, don't ignore the importance of regular checkups for your heart. Regular checkups can save you from a lot of trouble down the line, so don't skip them. So, there you have it. 4 simple steps that can help prevent heart fatigue. We started with a wake-up call for your heart, highlighting how crucial it is to recognize the signs of heart fatigue early on. It's not something to be taken lightly. It's a real condition that can lead to severe consequences if not addressed. But the good news is, with awareness and action, it's preventable. We then delved into understanding heart fatigue. We learned that it's not just about feeling tired. It's a comprehensive state where your heart is not functioning at its optimum capacity. It's a condition that can be caused by a variety of factors such as stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and inadequate sleep. Then we moved on to the steps you can take to prevent this condition. Step 1 is about maintaining a balanced diet. Food is fuel for your body, and just like a car, your body needs the right kind of fuel to function properly. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help keep your heart strong and healthy. Step 2, emphasize the importance of regular exercise. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to heart disease and other health problems. By incorporating physical activity into your daily routine, you can improve your heart health and overall well-being. In Step 3, we discussed the role of adequate sleep. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Your heart, like the rest of your body, needs time to rest and rejuvenate. Ensuring you get enough quality sleep each night is crucial for heart health. Finally, in Step 4, we highlighted the importance of regular checkups. Regular visits to your healthcare provider can help detect any potential issues early on, allowing for timely intervention and treatment. Remember, your heart is your body's engine. Keep it healthy, keep it awake, and it will take you far.